It is undeniable that today young people are facing a lot of challenges that people of my generation haven't had to face. Part of that is the incredible presence of digital media and social media that wasn't there before. With it come a lot of challenges that are new, along with mental health challenges that many young people are experiencing, as well as pressure to prove yourself, to be able to succeed in school and in the workplace and move forward in your life. And that's where the grid tool can really help. The grid tool will help you organize your life so that there are no trade-offs between having fun with your friends and being able to get your schoolwork done, or being able to stay on top of different part-time jobs you have, or starting to think about how you can take those first steps into a future career. If you are a young adult who wants to do well and who wants to stay confident and to keep your mental health in a good place, Grid can be a wonderful and very easy tool to add into your life to make sure that happens.